Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Python on a Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Python download. Hit enter. Just simply go to the official site of python.org. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you will see that our latest version of Python version 3.14.6 is available to download. On my previous videos, I have already showed you how to download and install Python using Python Install Manager. This time let's see how to download and install latest version of Python, that is version 3.14.6. Just click on this link and it's going to immediately start downloading your Python. Once downloaded, just simply click on that installer. You can minimize your browser. This is our install Python 3.14.6 installation wizard. You need to check both these two options and need to click on custom installation. Here you need to keep everything as default and need to click on next. Here you need to select the very first one, that is install Python 3.14 for all users, and need to click on install. That's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, and our installation for Python is rightly began. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our Python setup is now successful. Just simply click on close. Now it's time to verify your Python installation. So just go to search and type cmd to open your command prompt. And in command prompt just simply type Python and hit enter. That will show you Python 3.14.6. If you are getting this, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed your Python. Here you can run a simple Python command, so something like print hello. Hit enter and you are going to get that output. Similarly, you can also run Python code snippets on Python idle shell. Just go to search and open Python idle shell. This is our Python idle shell. So here also you can write something like print hi. Hit enter and you are going to get that output. Similarly, you can also create a new file and run your Python program. So let's create a couple of values like x equal to, let's say, 10. And let's say y equal to 5, and let's say you want to do summation of these two numbers, so x plus y. Just go to file and click on save as, and let's save our file as sum.py. Click on save, click on yes, and click on save again, and our file is now rightly saved. Just go to run and click on run module, and bingo, you are going to get that output 15. So whatever you have written x plus y, that is 10 plus 5, 15, is properly shown. So that's how you install Python. I highly recommend you to also install PyCharm. So here is the video for that. Don't forget to install PyCharm. That's going to really give you a very good user interface where you are going to really enjoy your Python programming. And since we are talking about Python, I highly recommend you to follow this playlist. So all these videos are completely free. You can see you will be able to create amazing Python projects by just simply following all these free videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.